My name is David Reed, and my channel is Fuzzee Tutorials. So I do in-depth tech tutorials as well as quick tips. We're an Apple universe, so most of my quick tips are Apple-centric. I do tutorials for customizing your YouTube channel, as well as graphics and video editing. And I take requests from users. Most of my ideas have come from suggestions from other people. I think what makes my channel unique is my videos tend to be a little longer but more in-depth than most channels in this niche, and I think that's where my subscribers find value in what I do. I take them through the materials in a very methodical manner, and I try not to go too fast. My kind of target audience are those who really want to become a power user but might be new to what they're doing. And I found for myself, when I was trying to learn from other YouTubers, that many of them went really quickly and glossed over a lot of the fine detail, and I would have to research through multiple channels and go through dozens of videos to find all the information I needed as a beginner in some things. So I decided to do the kind of videos that I would like to see or that I would find useful. So that's what I set out to do as I developed my channel, from throwing up the odd tutorial for friends on my personal channel to when I split off the Fuzzee Tutorials channel and made it a full-time, more professional endeavor. I think that's the key to a good channel, is you have to produce the kind of videos that you would want to see. I think even more importantly, you have to enjoy the type of content you're creating. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, you're not going to stick with it. But I spend time every day trying to learn something new, and then I spend a few hours every week trying to incorporate what I've learned into improving what I do. And a lot of times my ideas will come from problems that I run across when I'm learning to do stuff. And once I solve the issue and figure out a good way to do it, then I'll use that to produce a video. And as I said earlier, a lot of my good ideas come from questions I get asked from other people. Some of them are from some of the groups I belong to, and some are friends of mine that contact me looking for help with a specific issue. That's actually how I stumbled into this whole thing. Was I had been sick for many years, and I started getting better recently and got back to where I could actually work on the computer again. And I used to be a computer tech and was always helping out my friends, so when some of them heard that I was back in action, so to speak, I got a few questions here and there, and I found rather than trying to take them through stuff over the phone, which I wasn't so good at anymore because I was kind of out of touch, got way behind on current technology. So I just found it easier to do the research and produce a video and throw it up on my personal channel for them to view. And it went over pretty well, and I found I really enjoyed doing it. So that's what spurred me on to splitting it off into its own channel. And you always have to be willing to learn.